Do you want to build simple landing pages or sites fast without paying hundreds of dollars per month? Well, if your answer is yes, then Card is a new tool that you might be interested in using. Not only are the pages fast, but also mobile friendly and easy to build. You should keep watching to see what Card is, why should you use it or consider purchasing, and how to build landing pages with it. And if you stay until the end, I will also show you some landing page tips. Hi, I'm Hugo from awaketech.com, and in this Card landing pages tutorial I'm going to show you how to build landing pages with Card and some landing page tips. Card started as a free service to build responsive one-page sites, but can also be used to build all sorts of pages, such as a personal profile page, landing pages, opt-in pages, or even pages where you put all your social links that you can then use as link in bio, for example on Instagram or TikTok. It's very simple to start building landing pages by using templates or just starting a blank one with the page editor. All pages created by Card are responsive, which means that they will fit on any screen, on desktop, but also on mobile devices. You can start using it for free to build up to 3 sites and use all of the core features, and you can upgrade later on to one of the other plans if you need to do so. But for free you already get 3 sites, which is pretty cool. So for example, if you have a YouTube channel or you work with other social media platforms to execute your content marketing strategy and then for example promote affiliate offers or your own products, then you can use one of those sites as a landing page to a product of yours, or an about page or something like that, where you can list all of your resources, even though you might not have a blog or something like that, because we know that there's a lot of people who create content nowadays that don't necessarily have a lot of different platforms and just work with 1 or 2 and then have one simple page to list a contact form, some info about them, or even some affiliate links. Once you sign up to Card, you will see the dashboard, which should be empty, and at the top right you can click create to choose a starting point for creating your new site or landing page. Then you will be presented with a lot of appealing templates you can start using, and you will also notice that some will be free while others are only included in the pro plans, which can cost you from $9 up to $49 per year. If you want to start from scratch instead, just click on the rectangular icon at the top right. For this tutorial I will use a free landing page template as a starting point, since we will be creating a landing page. If you hover over the images, you can choose to see a demo or select the template to start building, and after selecting a template you will enter the canvas or a landing page builder where you can build your own pages using blocks and elements. You can remove, add or move and arrange the elements on this page according to your needs, and to change the background you can simply click on it or use the drop down menu at the right. On that menu you can also use the page option to open the page properties at the left and change different page layout settings according to your needs. That panel at the left is called the properties panel, which you will use to interact and change most elements on the page. It will open up once you click on any element on your page. So let's say that I want to change the title. I will click on it and then use the panel to write or change the style of that text. It is easy to use, as you will see all the settings and options being displayed while you are changing stuff around. There will be 3 or 4 tabs on the top of that panel. The first is the elements main tab, where you can change properties for that type of element. The second is the appearance tab, where you can change the appearance of an element, such as changing colors, fonts and size. The third is the animation tab, where you can add animation effects on your page so that they will pop up in a certain way once the page loads or on scroll down. The last tab is the settings tab, only accessible to pro plans, and it will give the user access to more advanced settings like HTML attributes, classes, CSS properties and more. The top floating bar on the the right is the menu where you can perform actions on the site you are building. It can be used to add new elements, undo or redo changes, preview animations, switch views, show all sections, publish the site, or show additional settings. Now to add an element, you just click on the plus icon on the menu, you choose the element you want to add, and then you can customize it as needed on the panel. Moving an element is easy, you just click on one and drag it across the page to where you want it to be, and then drop it before or after another element. You can use the panel to edit any element you want, and according to the type of element you add, it will have different customization options. Then you click done, and that's it. When you select an element, there will be a clone and a delete icon near the done green button at the bottom. You can click on the second one to delete the element, or you can click on the first one to clone it. When cloning an element, the new one will appear below the last selected element. After knowing all the basics, it will be very easy to build pages with the software by using the menu, panel, and the rest of the tools. The best way to get accustomed and see whether or not the software does what you need it to do is by creating an account with a free plan and then trying it out. So if you want to know more about each element or its features, Card has a very good documentation page which you can check out, and I will also link it down below. You can access that page from the dashboard by clicking on help, and then you can browse through to find what you need, or you can just follow the steps or take a long read first and then start using it. But most likely you won't need to do that, because as easy it is to use, you might as well just learn on the go. As for landing pages themselves, if you have no clue on what to build, you can take a look at the competitors' landing pages on some ad platforms or even through free traffic, and you can take ideas from your favorite influencers, or you can use something such as Facebook ad library and look at design boards on Pinterest or on Dribble or websites like that. Of course, if you are using it for something else, you can also use a spy tool such as Anthrax to take a look at what your competition is doing, what copy they are using, what landing pages, and even what images they use on their ads. And you can check that out by clicking on the link down in the description as well. But the copy that you write on a landing page to increase conversion rates is a total different skill, which is called copywriting. And I have some videos on the channel about copywriting, so you can click on the card to check out that playlist. Some examples that you have probably seen before are opt-in pages, which are used quite a lot to collect emails and the name and then add those contacts to your email list. But there are also other pages with one headline, one image, some bullet points, and the CTA button, and this usually is used for online products such as software or courses. Sometimes you may also see some VSLs, which are video sales letters, which is a page where it has one title, one video, and the video will do most of the selling, and then it also has a call to action button below the video. But if you do have a specific type of page in mind, or you want me to just cover more in-depth Card features, you can leave a comment down below. To try out Card, you can click on the link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment. You can also click on the second link on the description to learn how to write effective copy for sales letters and landing pages, or you can check out the other playlists for more content. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more videos on useful marketing tools and software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.